welcome to another episode of the fantastic Tudor engine. Today we're... Hello! Ooh, sorry. What? Thanks. Yeah. So today we are going to keep working with the engine. Yee! Well, I'm going to adjust the lifters. I don't think you can see this, but it is about 3 millimeter now. I will go down to 0.30 millimeters. So yeah, it will be a bit of an adjustment to do. This was too much. I can feel a bit more. This feels about right, yes. And I have to turn the engine to reach the lock nut on the on this one, so it will be a bit time consuming. So let's see. So let's check that one. Yes. I think I found out the trick to use 3 tools in both hands. Hope this will work. Too much tools, too few hands. No! Did I break that one? Oh, no, I didn't. Oh, shit. Made me nervous. This valve gets stuck sometimes. That's not good, is it? That's not good. I have to take this one apart again. Yeah. So be it. I found another valve guide, and I will use that one because this don't get stuck. It's dry now, so it's a bit jumpy, but it feels good. Not too much play. Well, it's actually really good compared to the other one. I don't know if you can see this, but it's a bit scratchy inside. So yeah, something have happened. Some crap have get stuck in this one. So yeah, the valve is looking good. This is good. This guide is crap. This guide is good. Oil, put together, have a beer. Woo. show you where to hammer so you don't hit the valve. It's hard to do this. I only have, as I said, 2 hands. You don't hit up here. You hit down here where the spring support is on the. So you hit, yeah, not up here. You hit on this ridge, so you don't destroy the valve. That's the tip for the day. This tool was actually quite good. I liked it. Det går fint. The springs are all adjusted. The valves opens and close as they should. And it's oil everywhere. It's 100 foot-pounds, and that is 135.6 Newton meters. I'm going to use thread lock on this one. I don't want it to come loose. That would be ungood. This is a very professional way to do this. There we go. We'll just set this to 0. We'll not store this loaded. Like so. Notice I didn't bend against the gear. I bend it like that. So yeah, this is now officially camshaft and valve assembly is ready. The lash is set and yeah. I did something good today. Yay! I will put some grease on this so it gets lubricated from the first turn. If this is wrong, let me know. If this is right, yay! Well, I'm going to clean this surface and I'm going to mount the side plate. I don't want to forget to put this one in, otherwise it's not going to be that good. Set the engine to number 1, top dead center, and then I will take a little thinking. These, I call them like half moons, each on one on each side, and the small one will face me when I put this in. That way this one will be the opposite. the small moon are facing away from me. That's the correct way on this engine. I think it was correct on the one that I just lifted out of the car, so I hope this will be correct for this one. And just push this spring into position like that. Great balls of fire. Show hey, yeah, here we go. Well, I got it really clean. Just my fat fingers making marks. And this will go upside down because the engine is upside down and it will only fit upside down. So yeah, it's great not to have to think. Just put the bolts in one of those caps and they will be clean. You screw through here and here to line up the gasket. Let's see. Can you see this? It's broken, but it came out. Dear bolt, I'm sorry. Here's this one, here's the bolts. And here is the gasket, I thought. Gasket! Here's the gasket. Looks good. And I will make sure these are even. So I will lift this one up, boop, and feel up here that it is good. After that I will tighten these properly. I will also cut this one, feel that it is good over here. Can't really do that now. I will cut this off first. Actually sharp enough. I will it needs to be was this too good? It was too good. It takes a little finesse. Too much. Yeah. Perfect. Perfect. Both this oil pan gasket and the timing cover gasket will now actually seal. I'm going to change the spring in this one. It's full of grease. It should be full of grease, but I don't want the spring to break. This that one that pushes on the cam. This looks good. The spring looks good. But if the spring breaks, the cam will walk out of its place, and one cam lobe will hit the crankshaft, and then I'm stranded. So I'm gonna change the spring. It cost me, translated to dollar, about $2. So yeah, I'm changing the spring. This should do. Great dab of grease on this one, and I also have a great dab of grease on the cam shaft. It's not the yeah. I'll have a bit of grease on the timing cover just to keep the gasket in place. I hope it will keep the gasket in place. Yeah, I forgot. This one up here, I always forget that one. Yep. One last click and we are all done with today's work. Actually, I can't do much more than this. I don't want to. Did I torque this one? Yeah. I don't want to. Well, I can't install the. I don't want to install the oil pan just yet. I want to pour more oil into the camshaft. I'm not going to start this one up for a while actually, because it's yeah, I'm missing parts still. So I guess this is it for this episode. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you the new subscribers. I have a few new actually. So yeah, hello, welcome. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, feel free to give it 2 thumbs down. See you in the next one. Bye! Whee!